Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Redragon TERRAFLARE K762 PRO. It's a full-size mechanical keyboard with an LCD screen and volume knob priced around $65. There is two color options available, and I have the white and purple variant in this video. Included in the box is a set of Redragon stickers, the keyboard user manual, a Type-A to Type-C cable, a switch and keycap puller, 8 extra mechanical switches, and the keyboard itself, which weighs just over 1 kilogram or 2.3 pounds. Moving on to the design, the keyboard has a 104 key exploded layout with an RGB light bar above the arrow keys, and a volume knob and an LCD screen on the top right corner. Speaking of the screen, it displays the date, time, battery, and other keyboard functions, and also allows you to configure the homepage, RGB effects, language, and time. Not only that, it comes preloaded with a GIF tool which is customizable in the software. Besides that, the keyboard has a two-tone plastic case with the Redragon logo on the left, the 2.4 GHz dongle, Type-C port, tri-mode switch and OS toggle in the middle on the back, and 5 non-slip feet on the bottom with 2 flip-out ones so you can increase the typing angle of the keyboard. Covering the other components, it has this rounded OEM profile PBT keycaps that has shine-through legends and the functions printed on for ease of use. Redragon min-member linear switches that are pre-looped and has a clacky sound signature. Plate-mounted stabilizers that are pre-looped to reduce rattle with added sound dampeners at the spacebar. A gasket-mounted flex-cut polycarbonate plate that provides a softer typing feel. A 5-pin hot swap north-facing PCB that features per-key RGB and has flex cuts as well. And a 4000 mAh power battery that can last around 50 hours of use. As for the sound dampening mods, it has a thick piece of silicone and foam in the bottom case, and a piece of PO foam, an IXPE switch pad, and a PET sheet in between the plate and PCB. Carrying on to the software, the keyboard supports the Redragon K762 RGB Pro driver. In here, you can set different profiles, remap all of the layers and keys with the functions listed here, customize the RGB lighting's effects, brightness, speed, and color, enable the RGB visualizer so it can react to sound like an audio visualizer, record new macros or import existing ones, upload custom images and GIFs from your computer to the screen, and access other settings like the sleep timer as well. Going back to the screen, it's a 1.41-inch TFT display and the custom images and GIFs I've uploaded look pretty sharp and nice. Here are a few examples. Going on to the typing feel, the FlexCard plate and PCB provides a soft and bouncy experience which feels great for work and long periods of use. The min-member linear switches feel smooth too and sounds quite clacky thanks to the 5 layers of sound dampening mods. Anyway, here is the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Redragon TERRAFLARE K762 Pro. After using and testing it, I think it's a great productivity keyboard. The full-size layout provides all of the keys you need, and the numpad is especially great if you work with numbers a lot. Additionally, it also has a volume knob and screen, which provides even more functions and adds a little bit of personality to your setup. Not to mention, it sounds and feels pretty decent too at just $65. So if you're in the market for a full-size keyboard that's packed full with features, the Redragon TERRAFLARE K762 Pro is a solid budget choice. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below for you, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Redragon for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.